Not a big fan of shift dresses because you think it's an outdated style? In this tutorial, we're going to sew the feminine and chic Ava dress. This mini dress features a flutter sleeve, shift dress silhouette, and adjustable waist tie that is easy to style. Hello, welcome to Fashion Wonder. My name is Sunju, the creator of this channel to help you buy less, sew more, and make DIY clothing. I used a poly twill fabric with bold fuchsia color, and other fabric options that work well with this dress include chambray, poplin, and crepe de chine. Let's start by making the front dress and front neck facing pattern. Front dress pattern that is 35 inches or 89 centimeters long from highest point shoulder to the side seam. 1 inch down from side seam that is 19 inches or 48 centimeters wide. And dress opening that is 21 1/4 inch or 54 centimeters wide. If you're having trouble drawing the armhole part and need more help, go to the description box to get the Ava dress sewing pattern. For front neck facing, simply copy the front dress pattern for armhole and shoulder seam. First, transfer the bust dart by poking a hole in the dart point with the pin. Flip the pattern wrong side up, pin through the dart point, and mark with a water erasable pen. Use a ruler to draw dart legs that connect to the dart point. Fold the dart horizontally to match the dart legs and pin. Start straight stitching from the dart notch and end at the point without stitching back and forth. Double tie the ends and press the bust dart facing toward the bottom. Prepare lightweight fusible interfacing for both front dress facing and back dress facing. Apply the fusible on the wrong side of the facing by heating with a dry iron. Overlock stitch the bottom edge of the front and back dress facing. Place right side of the front dress facing and front dress against each other. Then sew 3/8 of an inch seam allowance along the neckline. Open the front dress facing and edge top stitch to create smooth neckline. If needed, press with an iron to shape the clean and smooth seam. Prepare back dress pattern that is 35 inches or 89 centimeters long from highest point shoulder to the side seam. 1 inch down from side seam that is 18 inches or 45.7 centimeters wide. And dress opening that is 21 inches or 53.4 centimeters wide. To skip this process, I put a link on the description below to follow the Ava dress sewing pattern to start sewing right away. For back neck facing, simply copy the back dress pattern for armhole and shoulder seam. Apply same sewing step on the back dress neckline to attach back dress facing to the front piece. Join the front and back dress pieces with 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance, then overlock stitch to join the shoulder and right side seam. Press the side seam towards the back. To make a flutter sleeve, draw a straight vertical line that is 40¾ inch or 103.5 centimeters long. From both top and bottom point, draw a perpendicular line that is 4¼ inch or 11 centimeters that will be your front and back underarm seam. Connect these points with a smooth curved line. This can be pretty tricky to achieve, and if you need more assistance, I have a link in the description below for you to download the Ava dress sewing pattern. Adjust the stitch length to 5.0 and 1/4 inch straight stitch from front to back notch along the sleeve. Leave the thread about 3 to 4 inches long and do not back and forth stitch the end. Fold the sleeve on the center right side facing each other, then close the underarm seam with 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch and overlock to finish. Press the seam toward the back side of the sleeve. Gently pull one of the threads to evenly distribute the shirring along the sleeve. Slide the sleeve through the bodice right side facing each other and pin along the armhole opening. Sew straight stitch 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance around the armhole and overlock the raw edges. Quarter inch width, double fold the hem of the sleeve and edge top stitch for hemming. Press the hem all around the sleeve opening. Next, place right side of the front dress and back dress facing each other along the left side seam. Then overlock stitch the side seams separately. Measure from neckline 13 inches down and pin to mark. Sew 3/8 of an inch with straight stitch all the way to hemline and press the seam open. Open the invisible zipper tape and pin the tape on the right side of the dress. Replace the regular sewing foot with the zipper foot and closely stitch on the zipper tape. Close the zipper tape and sew close to the zipper teeth on the other side. Overlock stitch around the hem of the dress, fold the hemline 1 inch width, and then top stitch around the hemline. Press the hem with gentle steam. Lastly, prepare the waist tie for the dress by 4 inches or 10.16 centimeters wide by 30 inches or 76.2 centimeters long on fold. So the total length of the tie will be 60 inches or 152.4 centimeters long. Fold the waist tie piece lengthwise, right side facing each other, and sew 1/4 inch width straight stitch. Manually flip the tie inside out. 1/4 inch width, close both ends of the opening and hem base for a clean finish. Give a nice press all around the dress and add the waist tie to enjoy your finished Ava dress. Thank you for watching. Hope this video inspires you to make the Ava dress with me. If you like this sewing tutorial video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next sewing challenge. Scroll down to the description below to locate the Ava dress sewing pattern. Additionally, you can find step-by-step picture instructions on the website for you to follow. Share your DIY dress on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial to get featured and follow us for more inspiration. See you on the next tutorial. Bye!